why assistive technology is important. This is a proof that you've got miracles happening in your lives every day. Now, back a few years ago, when technology was simple, we did not have proper inclusion for people to be able to access this technology. And just imagine now, when we have more and more technology being produced, how is it that we can allow for people with disability to have access to this technology? People with disability cannot use the technology easily, but you need to think about it in a positive way. The technology is what will allow them to express themselves and ask for their rights. So if someone is disabled physically, he will be able to use some sort of technology to be able to ask for his rights or her rights to access or to be included. When we are working with someone with a mental disability or a low function cognitive function, what we do is we usually try to rely on a suggestive basic system that allow a child to organize a thought, either by having an ADA controlled behavior accomplishment system, to have comparison, contingency maps, and timers, schedules. The second level, which is the mid-tech, is usually devices that is not very technologically advanced. It's basically small pieces of technology that allows you to record one voice and say it, or record one sentence and say it. And then you've got the high end, which requires touch devices, eye trackers, or devices that are complicated in technology, to digital devices that allow us to have hundreds of symbols. And it all depends on the child's ability to comprehend and understand and differentiate between multiple symbols and multiple vocabulary. Let's analyze the need. This is what is needed in Armenia. Let's design a proper system for deployment. Let's deploy it. Let's test it, because anything that you do on any level, even NORD are telling you, and everyone is telling you that you always need to test. You need to test accessibility, you need to test usability, you need to test functionality, you need to test, you need to observe and monitor, and after that you deploy, develop, deploy, and then you continuously test and support. Why? I always say, don't work vertically. Don't wait until these systems are completed and then you continue. You need to work horizontally. Start on all of them, bring everything up as they are functioning, they will link together. And disability by itself is a really 4-hour discussion about how do I bring someone with any disability and give them a function to do in any place, in a restaurant, in a coffee shop, at home, in an office. Always look at which disability can use technology, adaptive technology in a way that this segment becomes an easily employable segment.